Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block or unblock a number on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Go to the phone app, then go to contacts, and I'm gonna show you two ways to block a number. The first one is gonna be how to block a number that's in your contacts. So go to a number that's in your contacts, click on it, then click on the eye, click on more, and then click on block contact and block. Now it displays this icon, which means that the contact has been blocked. Click on more and unblock to unblock this contact. Now I'm gonna show you how to block a number that's not in your contacts and you don't want to add it to your contacts. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then click on settings, blocked numbers, and now enter a phone number that you want to block. And click on plus. Now you can see that the contact has been blocked, it's on the block list, and to unblock it, click on the minus. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.